The Google Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro pre-order deal has been leaked, which is going to surprise you because Google is giving you some of the best pre-order deals for your device. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So guys, don't get me wrong, you will be getting the surprise to see how Google is going to beat the competitors with the deals of the Pixel 7 Pro. According to the Nord Quadrant, the Pixel 7 Pro pre-order gifts in some countries include the Pixel Watch, which is insane since the Pixel Watch will cost you around $349, whereas the Pixel 7 pre-order gifts will get you a new Pixel Buds Pro. But things don't stop here. If you were pre-ordering from Target, you might get $200 gift on the Pixel 7 Pro and $100 gift on the Pixel 7. Both Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel 7 user guide is out now, and it seems like some previous rumors regarding the camera update were wrong. According to the latest leak, the Pixel 7 will be packing an 8 megapixel selfie shooter instead of the 11 megapixel, but the Pixel 7 Pro will be retaining the same 11 megapixel selfie shooter. The main shooter on both the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro will be 50 megapixel, but on user guide the 50 megapixel on Pixel 7 Pro mentioned as 50 megapixel octa instead of the 50 megapixel wide camera, which means we are going to get something interesting in the main 50 megapixel of Pixel 7 Pro. Also, as per the retailer information from Taiwan, Pixel 7 Pro can deliver the macro shoot, and that is done with the new 48 megapixel telephoto sensor, which is capable of 5 times of optical zoom and 30 times of digital zoom instead of the 20 times Pixel 6 Pro. Video lovers should always be happy since Google is going to add movie blur option in the Pixel 7 Pro, so you can get a portrait mode on the Pixel 7 Pro video as well. But the downside is that the upcoming Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will be having a smaller storage option, which is 128 and 256 GB for both the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro. Now internally, the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro will be coming with the new Tensor Gen 2 chipset, which is going to be more power efficient as compared to the last year. Now talking about the battery, the Pixel 7 will be coming with a 4700 mAh battery capacity as compared to 4600 that was available in the previous model. But the big brother is retaining the same 5000 mAh in the Pixel 7 Pro, which is going to be the standards right now in terms of the battery capacity in the industry. And your 30 watt fast charging is available. Charging speed will be 30 watt, but will it going to be pure 30 watt? Well, it's not going to be the case because previously we have seen the 30 watt charging speed was supported, but it was only getting 21 to 23 watt for the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro. The only hope for the battery of the Pixel 7 Pro is its new power efficient processor. Now thanks to this new power efficient chipset, the battery will be consumed less. Also, it's coming with the Titan M2 security chipset, which will help to secure your personal information. And according to source, the chipset is not powerful processor when it comes to raw performance, but instead Google is improving a machine learning by 35%, GPU by 20% to improve the camera and gaming performance of the Pixel 7 Pro. Now keeping the same course from the last year, Google is going out with a Pixel device on October 6 and pre-order will start from the same day and phone will hit the market on October 13. But if you are interested in unboxing video of the Pixel 7 Pro, then you can check this video. I will see you next time. Till then, peace out.